Nice easy one this morning.
What are we doing?
Oh shit.
Tell them what we're doing.
What are we doing today?
Well, no, I can't pronounce it.
No mountains.
No mountains today. Is it Rydal Cave?
Is it Rydal or Rydal?
Rydal
Cave. For starters.
What?
For starters.
For starters, yeah. Easy one.
Easy one, but your legs are burning.
Nothing's easy, is it?
No.
So fucking gaining elevation.
Get on this.
Yeah, get on this.
Get on this.
10 minutes in the walk and we come to this part. We don't know where we're going yet though. There we are. Civilization. Wonder what that is then. Everyone's.
I wonder what all these are.
I think there's just people who come up and just pile them up. They are a 15-minute walk from the car park and you come straight to the cave. Is there a fiver for 2 hours?
And then it's £2.20 after every hour.
And what, £2.20?
Yeah, for an hour after.
You can get your head torch. It's on the car. There's sand here, isn't it? See what the light mode's like on this camera. Yeah, it's getting dark. Sounds like a church, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's weird being in the cave.
Isn't it? That's it. I'm going too far in case people have had a shit. I'll get a picture there. You can actually come out the cave and walk to the top of that, but it's nothing. Not when you're doing mountains. Just a nice little short walk, anyone can do this. You take the kids in a pram, so get on it. Alright, moving on. Spoke too soon, here's another cave. What do we do for this one?
Go down here.
There's a path there to get to the top. There. No.
Go down here and go up.
I was just looking at that path, but it stops there, doesn't it? You get through there? helicopters. I seen one where they're looking down into something. Have you seen a video like that?
You were that in there?
Yeah.
You can't?
Looks a bit dodgy coming down it, doesn't it? We can't find that house. The map slide. Short one that. How long was that? How long did it take us?
Short one. What time is it? 9:15 it is.
9:15. How long have we been out? An hour?
Yeah, yeah.
An hour it takes to this route. Rydal Caves. Nothing in here.
What is all that there? People may take the rubbish. Please, people.
Camping in it?
Take the rubbish.
Going camping in it?
No?
Oh.
Well, that makes us something belonging.
Someone's sleeping here. Hello? Hello? Looks like a body, don't it?
I'm literally in my heart.
Do you think that was a body?
I actually need a shit. Don't do that.
It looks like, doesn't it?
Oh my god, my stomach.
Like a suitcase. Belongings are there in the coat.
Literally, it doesn't even trunk. Don't do that yet.
What?
I thought that was a human.
I did. Looks like someone's fucking sleeping there, doesn't it?
Well, this is facing me.
No, it's not facing.
I've just turned it round now. I won't see you get back down here. I will.
That's why I think the best. Fuck that way off, innit? Let's take this backpack off. Sweet zones in that, innit?
I'll pass it down to you after.
Yeah.
Do you reckon somebody's living in here?
Must be, yes. This is fucking tricky, this.
You climb mountains
Eating me
normally.
face here. No, not even that bad. Oh, look, we got two stable. What's these rocks though? They're the logs. Fucking hell.
Are you sure you climb mountains?
I know. Hey, like fucking amateur. There you go. We can't find that house. The map slide. Short one that. How long was that? How long did it take us?
Short one. What time is it? 9:15 it is.
9:15. How long have we been out? An hour?
Yeah, yeah.
An hour it takes to this route. Rydal Caves. Would you go in that in the summer?
Yeah.
Would you?
Yeah. It'd be weird for people seeing you on a path.
I know.
On a nice path.
Walking. There you go. Easy little walk. Just nearly killed us getting up that little tiny hill. Nothing easy.
No mountain mines today.
No mountain mines today. That's good saying that.
Where are we?
I can't pronounce it.
I think it's Aira Force.
Aira.
Everything's flat today.
You've got to be here to appreciate it. Because the camera doesn't do it justice.
No, it doesn't. Yeah. Do your feet feel spoiled?
Oh, yeah.
Hiya.
No, it'll be further up where we're going swimming, innit? See what you see.
I see a load of fucking people, that's what I do see.
Yeah, what's that saying?
Oh. It's just dead fucking busy.
Ah,
Just dead busy, innit?
nice little easy walk today. Another waterfall in. Have you done a waterfall?
Come on.
What one?
No.
You haven't done a waterfall? Oh,
I don't know. Have we?
I don't know.
No, we did the cave.
Oh, the first waterfall for the day then. An idiot. I thought we'd done another waterfall.
I thought we did as well.
What are you doing? Videoing me. Videoing me.
This guy's supposed to climb mountains.
What?
I don't think you're fit enough to climb mountains.
I know.
Fucked. Can't do a couple of steps.
There we are.
High force. We'll just keep going up.
Just follow the path round.
Follow the path.
Apparently this is High Force. Don't know where you got the name from. But this is it. That's High Force Waterfall. That little thing there. Oh, it looks better that way, doesn't it? Done it?
Yeah, just there.
I don't see anything. Short walk this. Not nearly to it. What's that edge? Inviting like, innit, for the summer.
Yeah.
Do that in there.
Don't go dip.
Yes, we're going dip now.
We need a shop cover system today.
Fucking wake us that up, wouldn't it? Oh! You get down that way, you can't you? No. Can't get down, can you? Slippy. Wow. Brave. How did you manage that? Fucking hell. I'm thinking too much into it now.
You have definitely not got your mountain mind on.
I haven't. You know what's mad?
What is wrong with you?
It's mad because I'm out of my fucking comfort zone. That's better, isn't it?
Don't fall, I'm
I
trying
won't
to
fall.
catch you.
Much better down here, isn't it?
Yeah.
See, if you didn't know what I'd done, and I was telling you that I've done this, that and the other, couldn't believe me, would you?
What do you mean? No, if you just came on a walk like this.
And you never knew what I've
and
done.
Yeah.
Like, fuck
There's
off.
this guy you can walk.
I know. Can't even walk across a bit of rock. Oh. Now look at that. Looks much better than over there. Well, better view. Oh, what's his own people in the backpack?
Where are we, Steve?
I haven't got a clue, we're lost.
We're lost on this one.
We're in Langdale.
Somewhere.
I just looked it up on the map as well. Easedale Tarn. Easedale Tarn.
Easedale Tarn. Helm Crag.
Helm Crag's over there.
This is not Helm Crag.
No, that's right. Helm Crag over there to your right.
I'm sure it said it was on the map.
Eh,
That's Helm Crag.
that's Helm's Crag.
So where are we ending?
Easedale Tarn.
We're just fucking
We're
walking.
winging it.
No one knows.
Winging it.
No one knows where we're going.
Just out chasing waterfalls. You'd are in there in the summer, wouldn't you? Tempting. Right, we've made it to Easedale Tarn.
Still
Well worth the £8.50 for the car park. Much better than where was
we
it?
spent so much on parking.
What was it called?
I don't even know.
That one, the waterfall, Aira Force Waterfall.
High Force, yeah. At least it's a better view.
Yeah, well
Less
better.
people.
I know, less
More,
people.
more greenery.
Yeah. There you go. On to the next one. Just gonna go up there.
Got another one.
What do you want to do? Something else or just bail?
No?